guys? So I got my cousin Jason with me today, and we're gonna do a little pond hopping, kind of celebrating 4 years of doing backwoods. Appreciate you guys' support and all the views and everything. We're over 2,000 subs now, so it's pretty awesome. But we're gonna start out today at the honey hole. I took him here, actually, I guess it's 2 years ago when we celebrating 2 years of backwoods. So we're kind of just doing the same video from 2 years ago. So we're gonna hit this pond a little bit, and then I think we're gonna go over to Granddad's, see if we can catch some crappie and bluegill and some bass out of it too. But we're gonna see if we can't stick a couple pigs this morning while we're out here. It's nice, cool. It's only 71 degrees, no sun, overcast. I like it. It looks fishy. There was a, did you just see that?
Yeah.
It's about to get ugly, y'all. So we're gonna get after it. Here we go.
He hit it and then dropped it and then hit it again.
There you go. First one on the board. Heck yeah. On the old Texas rig bandito boat. Look at that big swirl right there under the tree.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Jason's got number 2. There you go. Heck yeah.
That's a different spot too.
Oh my gosh.
Moby Dick.
That was freaking nuts.
Get after him. Or not.
Come on, there's gotta be. There we go. About time. Where I sent it through there. I'm sorry, bud, but I wasn't gonna let you go. That's Uno to Jason's 2. But we're just fishing for fun. It's just trying to get together, and we ain't fished together in a while, so really the only reason to come out here is trying to get a big one, so we're gonna try. There we go. Oh, golly, dude. Calm down. Dude, chill. I can help you if you help me. Calm down. A little chunky one. There we go. Yeah, that's better. There we go.
Heck yeah.
He crushed that worm.
Oh, maybe I should put a worm on it.
That jig will probably do something. A little chunker.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah. We'll get a little release video for the intro. There we go. Another little one. Calm down, bub. Bunch of deer over there. You can see their tails flicking. They're going over that fence right there.
I bet you they was coming up over this hill to come down here and get a drink.
Yeah. And then they heard us talking. They come running from all the way up here. Ran all the way down to this hole, and then we just seen them pop up over there. Huh. A fish. Yeah. I'm down.
We can go over to my sister-in-law's house.
Hold on, I got you. Keep pressure on him. Oh yeah, son. Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. Finally, on that little bitty old bait. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. He wasn't coming.
On that little bitty rooster tail. Look at that.
I'm gonna have to weigh him.
Yeah, here. 3 even?
Hey, I'll take it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, buddy. Whoa, baby. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got him. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I can let him in.
Yep. Better you than me, because we'll probably both be laying in there. Look.
Heck yeah.
I threw it out right there.
In front of the tree.
I saw him swimming. He turned, and then he just jetted for it. And I was like, he ain't gonna take it. So he took it.
Heck yeah. Look at him.
Yeah, buddy. What's my name? Ow! Okay.
He said, I don't care what your name is.
Ow!
It doesn't matter what your name is. There you go. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, no, he didn't swallow it.
Done figured her out.
That was perfect. I put it.
Look at you.
All right, little Zeb, let's go.
That's 6 of them. Daggone it, son. Thought I was filming on a hook set, but I wasn't. But there we go. That's 4 or 5 for me. Jason's got, I think, 7 of them. Good day.
Not bad at all.
But we're gonna pack it up real quick and go to Granddad's. See if we can't go get the triple crown. Get a bluegill and a crappie on the day and get the triple crown. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna head on to Granddad's now. See if we can't get a trifecta, get the bluegill and a crappie on the board too for the day. But didn't do too bad so far. He's got 8. I think I got 5. Got a 3-pounder, so we got a little size on the day too. But wasn't sure how this pond was gonna fish. It was pretty stained, but either way, they're still biting. So kind of bet on several different things. But it's like stained our dang on hands and everything else. But yeah, so we're gonna head on to the farm and see if we can't get a couple there. So here we go. All right, out here at Granddad's. See if we can't get a trifecta here real quick. They're hitting all over the place. This water is lower than it's ever been, or at least it's been in the last 3 years that I've seen. Look here. Oh! Oh! I know. That's a pretty good bass for in here. Dude. Oh, he freaking covered me. Crap, far. Get all that junk.
Little bluegill. On a rooster tail.
Yeah, buddy.
Look at that sandwich.
There we go with a double up. He got one of his parts of the trifecta done, so that's 2. That's a pretty good sized bass for him, dude.
That was a nice one.
Heck yeah. He covered me in freaking mud and stuff. Look at on my lip and my beard. Golly. Turd. They ain't been thrown at. Look. Look at it. It's a little nice one. Look at her. That's as big as the ones we was catching over there.
Yeah.
2 casts, 2 fish. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I saw you.
I said, come here, fish. Oh, look, look.
Say, no.
Look at here.
Look at you.
3 for 3, baby. Loaded up down the corner. Oh my gosh, dude, these fish are looking good.
Catching the same one.
No, never. There's Fred. I caught Fred and George. Fred's just stupid. He got caught twice.
I need Barney.
Barney? No way.
How do I hold that thing?
Oh my gosh.
On a rooster tail the same size.
Dude.
How do I hold him without killing him?
Dude, look how tiny that
That's
thing
a
is.
sardine.
I don't even know.
I don't.
Here, I got it.
Kill him.
Dude.
I wish you'd have felt how hard he hit it. It went.
Oh, you knocked him out of my hand. Dude.
Hey, I really thought I had a good one on.
Look at that thing. That's crazy. That thing's tiny as can be.
And he hit it hard. Big brother.
Oh, we tearing them up. Been a minute since I fished out here.
I can't believe I caught that stick.
Bigger than that. Is that fish?
Yeah. Somewhere.
Another bass.
Oh, he's well chunk.
There we go.
I'll take it.
We're on them.
Hey, quit now. You done? Might be in a minute. Now you're done. Nope.
Want some help?
Fish, I'm about to step. Hook me in my thumb one more time. Whoops.
There. That's a pretty good fish.
But he done hooked me. I tried to lip him.
Look here.
Down. Oh, now he's done got his lips locked shut.
I'll get him. Look at me. We got a one-hand hook set over here. I got one on. I mean, we're all over them. Got him?
Yeah.
I mean, we're all over them. Look here. We're going. I helping him out. I was sitting here. I still hooked one with one hand.
Look,
We're on them.
that's old mud dauber.
One out, one in. There we go. We found the X. We're on the X right now.
We are on it.
Oh gosh, what are you doing? What these idiots want to be in the mud for?
Run away from him. I'm gonna get another one before you get that one off.
We're just gonna keep it going. I'm gonna pull him off the dock again.
Got another baby.
No way!
Did you see how hard he hit?
No way! I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life.
You need to cast this
Dude.
right over there.
Look at that.
And watch how hard these little dudes hit.
Oh my gosh, dude. He gonna have a scar for life.
Oh, I'm taking a picture of him.
Oh no! Hold on. We still got him. Oh, see if I can't die real quick.
All right.
Be quick now. I'll open my hand up. Ready?
Yep. Dude. Look at it.
That is so cool.
He is beautiful though. Look at them lines.
We'll do a super easy release. Dude, you freaking lightning bolted over. There we go.
Dude, I saw him.
Are we doubled up?
Yeah. If you'll stay on. This dude is fighting now. Dude, next year, there's going to be some tanks in here.
I know. Heck yeah, I got another double up. Dude, look at the belly on that thing, man. I mean,
I know.
we might have some.
How heavy he is. Like, seriously.
Oh my gosh, dude. Look at that. Yeah.
That's a sandwich.
Yeah, buddy. Get him in there. You just about can in here. I mean, crappie will hit it too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here we go. Give me a bluegill. Ah, bass. Oh, there we go.
Sounds like good. Chunky one.
Uh-huh. There we go.
Hey, come on, man. Dude. Look, I got him hooked on the side.
Broke the handle clean off.
I punched myself in the process. I uppercutted myself.
You gonna have to hand line him in. Oh, it's a crappie! No way!
Crappie!
No way!
Broke it on a crappie. I'm happy.
No way!
I'll take it. That's a nice one too.
That's awesome.
Here, that's
Done got his trifecta. Done broke. I mean, like, look at this. Snapped her clean off. That's crazy. Look at this. Got her, I mean, just snapped her clean off.
oh, look, it's getting ready to fall.
Oh, shoot. Well, did it break or did it come unscrewed?
Oh, I don't know. Might come
No,
unscrewed.
no, it's snapped off.
Yeah.
You can see it right there. It's snapped off. Broke off on the trifecta though.
Dude, that is a sandwich. Look how
Yes,
thick
sir.
that dude is.
Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Dude.
Heck yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's a pretty good day. We started off at the honey hole, and I had like 5 or 6 over there. He ended up with 7. He had a 3-pounder, so it was a pretty good deal over there. We come here to the farm, and we immediately started laying into them. So I had, I think, 9 or 10 here, and he ended up with 11 here, and he got the trifecta done like we were talking about. So he caught a bluegill and a crappie, and his reel broke on the crappie, which the odds of that's hilarious. I mean, got it done at the very end. And then he caught 3 bass that were like literally no bigger than our pointer finger, which I've not seen bass that small that you can actually identify like that. They're bit that he was telling me, he's like, they're fighting like these, 1.5-pound bass. I saw him set the hook into one. I was like, good grief. And it launched up on the bank. And he's like, look at this. Like, that thing wasn't no bigger than the rooster tail he was throwing. But anyways, it was a pretty successful outing. It's kind of spur of the moment. We just saw each other yesterday at Lowe's and was like, hey, you want to fish tomorrow? And he's like, yeah, all right, well, here we are. So made a pretty good deal out of it for a last minute run out here. So anyways, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.